Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBPJPY in front of us right now, and as we can clearly see that this is a sideways market. And if you have watched my yesterday's video on GBPJPY, then I clearly mentioned that we only have got two best trading opportunities on the chart of GBPJPY. The first trading opportunity is the strong weekly support at 149.50. Yes, this is a very strong weekly support. Whenever market comes down to this price level, we have seen market bouncing. So 149.50 still remains the most trustworthy, reliable support zone, buying zone on the chart of GBPJPY. On the other hand, we also have a resistance zone at 152 to 150.50. Yes, instead of a proper level here, I am just giving you a zone, because always keep in mind that support and resistance are not a single price level. It is a zone in the market. Okay, and in the chart of GBPJPY right now, we have a resistance zone at 152.152.50, and as you can clearly see that right now market is just standing at the resistance zone here. So yes, market is standing in resistance zone, but that doesn't mean that we should click on the sell button right now, because if you just observe the previous candle, okay, if you observe the present candle, it is a small green one, but if you observe the previous candle, you can see that previous candle has seen price rejection from below. And if you look at this candle prior to that, you can see a green candle. Market is forming green candle, market is forming hammer candles at the resistance, which is not a good sign, because see, what is resistance? Resistance is a place of sellers and support is a place of buyers. So market has reached the place of sellers, market is at the sellers zone, but still market is not ready to go down. And as we all know, GBPJPY was very much bullish, so buyers are still present in the market and they are still not ready to surrender. Yes, the buyers are still not ready to surrender, and this is the main reason we should never click on the buy and sell button blindly. And this is the main reason why we should trade with proper analysis and proper understanding, because see, market right now still there is a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers. So we still do not have the confirmation whether market will reverse or not. After all, we cannot deny the fact that support and resistance level in the market are not permanent, they are temporary, and there is always a possibility of market breaking the support and resistance level. So until and unless market reverses from the level, or market reverses from this resistance, we do not have the confirmation that yes, this resistance is a valid or not. So once market reverses, then only short the market. How you'll get the confirmation? Then you'll get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star, price rejection from above, or a red candle, okay, or a red candle like this. Once you see any of this, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, sellers are powerful in their zone and they will not allow the market to go up, and then you can short the market. If you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, okay, in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 79% have taken short position and only 20% retail traders have taken long position. And as we all know, most of the time retail traders lose money. So my dear friends, do not take any risk, trade with proper analysis and trade with proper confirmation. That's my request, and please follow proper risk management. And last month I have launched the Pro Trader membership program, where you can be a part of my analysis, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. If you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website avilashhazarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.